Barber here. I'm here with Mike. We just dropped off a 15 cubic yard dumpster at a property. Doesn't matter whether you have a concrete driveway, dirt driveway, we're still going to protect it with wood to ensure that we're not pitting or creating craters. Mike, how big are these bins?
This one here, you'll see our 15 yards will be 12 feet long, 8 feet wide, 4 feet high. They're good for all remodels, so kitchen cabinets, floorings, carpeting, drywalls, 2x4s, installations, whatever you need to put in there. You have plenty of room, even for garage cleanouts. Walk around in the back with me, you'll see how easy it is to operate. You just basically pull the pin here, go ahead and remove your chain, pull this out, lift up your lever, go ahead and slide open the back door. Therefore, it's easier for you to, if you need to, you can make a little ramp, get in there with your wheelbarrow. It's easy accessible. Again, great value. 15s run $310 for 10 days. You get 2 tons, which is 4,000 pounds. Again, you can see you get quite a bit of room.
Once you get in there, Mike, so we can show them a good perspective. Now, don't go dumpster diving.
So you can see kind of how where it sits up to be. So again, plenty of room. That's going to be in here. Again, if you have anything furniture, clean out that you need to do, you have plenty of room to do this here. If not, we do offer 10% off our second rentals with a second bin on the same property. So again, this would be $310 minus 10% off for your second rental. Again, we're always there for your needs and needed.
All right, thanks, Mike. Give us a call if you guys need a dumpster rental, and we're here to help you.